Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And guys, today we will discuss about the full adder. So this is the full adder circuit. You can see here. These are the input and these are the output. Input is A, B and C in, carry in. Output is sum and carry out. So you can see here, when the input changes, so there will be change in output also. So what is the work of full adder? Full adder adds the 3 bit on its input. In the previous video, I made the video on half adder, that was for the addition of 2 bits, but in full adder we can add the 3 bits. So in the addition of 3 bits we will get sum here and carry here. So if I make the A input 1, so we will get the output 1, sum 1 but carry 0. And if I make the B input 1, so same output we get. If I make the carry input 1, so I am getting the same output. Okay, carry 0, sum 1. And if I make any 2 of bit 1 1, so we will get the sum 0 and carry 1. Okay, if I make this, then we are getting the same. If I make this one and this one, we are getting the same. Okay, so any 2 input is high, so we will get the sum 0 and carry 1. Okay, if any 2 input 0 and 1 is high, so we will get the always sum 1 and carry 0. If all 3 bits high, so what will be here? As per the truth table, you can see here, this is the truth table of this circuit full adder. So we can see here this all, if all 3 input is 0, so we will get the carry 0, sum 0. If one of the input is high, either you can see here, okay, yeah, you can see here, okay, so we will get the sum 1, okay, but carry 0, sum 1, sum 1, sum 1 carry, sum 1 carry 0. Okay, but if any 2 input is high, then what will happen? We will get the sum 0 carry high, sum 0 carry high, this input high, this input high, this low. Okay, we are getting sum 0 carry high. Okay, and here you can also see, here 2 input high, 1 input 0, so carry 1, sum 0. Okay, same thing here, 1 1 0, carry high, sum 0. When all input is 1 1, what will happen? Carry and sum will be 1 1, sum 1 and carry 1. So we will see it in our circuit. When all input is 1 1, so carry 1 and sum 1. Okay, if any of the input, any 2 input is high, so what will happen? We will get always sum high, sorry, sum 0 carry 1. Okay, you can make any input, any 2 input high, so you will get always this combination, carry 1, sum 0. If all 3 input is high, then you will get 1 1 at the carry and sum. If all input is 0, you will get 0. If any of the input is high of 3, so you will get always sum 1 and carry 0. So you can check here, I do this high, so we are getting this combination. I low this and I high this, so you are getting the same combination. I low this and high this, you are getting the same combination. So this is the working of the full adder. And wherever you are getting the green line, okay, so that line is high. You can understand. That line is high. This line is high, this line is high, and this line is high. Green color shows the high input bus, and this is violet color showing the showing the zero bus. There is a 0 bit on the bus. So I hope you got this video, and if you got this video, so please like and subscribe this video and press the bell icon for the coming video. Thank you.